Hi there, this is Manohar Hussain from Wix Web Expert. In this video, I will show you how can you share your images or videos with your designer very easily. So at first you need to log in your Gmail, and then you can see here 9 dot button. You just need to click on it, and then you just need to go to directly Google Drive. And on Drive you can see your files, so you just need to create a new folder there. You can write here like as website files. You can name your website like as something look like that. You can give a name there, and you can see the folder will be listed here. You just need to open it. Okay, so just open the folder, and then you can just upload here your files. Let me bring something there, like as I want to share this image, so I just drag and drop the images here, and you can see image is uploading there. Once your all files will be uploaded here, you can rename it like as use it on home page or something look like that. You can rename the file and just click the folder, and then click here share, and then share, and then from here you just need to make it anyone with the link, and then just copy the link from here. Otherwise you can put here your designer email address to share the file with him. So you can make it anyone with the link, and then just copy the link and send the link to your designer with his WhatsApp or email, so he will get access with this folder, and he can download the images, videos from here, and he can use it on your website. So look like that way you can share anything with your designer very easily. Thank you so much.